This Italian sausage soup is a simple, you could say rustic dish, bursting with bold Italian flavor and hearty ingredients. We are calling it perfect for a cozy evening in. Our friend Elena Davis is joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share. Thanks for bringing the delicious aroma this morning. We're already hungry.
It smells so good.
Just smelling what's in front of us. What do you like most about this recipe?
What I love most, number one, it's made in one pot. So if you're wondering, you know, what's the number one question you think about at 5 p.m.?
What's for dinner?
Right. So my mom said, when you're thinking about what's for dinner at that time, whether it's winter, summer, spring, fall, soup.
Soup. That's the answer?
Yeah, soup. No, I'm serious.
I like your mom.
It's usually made in one pot.
Yeah.
You can pack veggies, meat, have a side of bread. It's 1 meal. It's all in one pot. You can make it light, you can make it creamy, depending on the season. So today we're making a more hearty, but also packed with veggie soup.
I'm excited.
That I think is perfect for fall.
Well, and soup season has been a bit delayed with our Utah temperatures, at least here in Utah.
It's kicking off.
This is it.
Right now.
So the star of this is the sausage?
Yes, so we have browned a little bit of sausage and then removed it.
Okay.
And I love to saute the veggies in that yummy, you know, the drippings with a little bit of olive oil. It adds so much flavor to the soup rather than just having the veggies boiled in the liquid.
So keep it all in there, one pot.
Yeah, so keep it all in there. We're using the same pot. We're just removing this momentarily. I have a healthy serving of onions, peppers, carrots, and celery.
But to your mom's point, this could be a just empty the crisper, whatever you have.
Oh, yeah, no, for sure. And then at the end, we're gonna throw in a whole, almost 2 cups of spinach.
Nice.
So, and my kids love this soup, and there's tons of veggies in it. It's super flavorful, and it's warm and hearty. It has, you know, all the different elements that you kind of love and crave.
If I can get spinach into a meal that isn't a green smoothie, that is a huge mom win.
Yeah. And I think it's just the heartiness of the sausage and then the Parmigiano cheese that you put on top and the pasta that you add that just kind of, you know, you're like, oh yeah, I'll eat some spinach. And then after we put some tomatoes in there and it's so yummy. It freezes great. It's great to bring a pot to a friend who just, you know, needs a meal or whatever. So really versatile, and we love to just dunk some bread in there as well. So after you brown this, just for several minutes, you're gonna add a good serving of broth and some tomatoes. Okay. So some canned tomatoes.
And not a lot of
chunky tomatoes.
Other than what was already in there from the sausage.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add a little bit of Italian seasoning. If you don't have Italian seasoning, I usually just, you can add some dried oregano, basil, thyme, and rosemary is all it is. It's just, the Italian seasoning has all those herbs just mixed into one, but you can easily make your own or even add some fresh herbs, which I love to do. So we're just gonna keep cooking this down. We're gonna add the sausage back in. We're gonna have our broth go in there.
And how long do you let it simmer?
So you only let it simmer for about 15 minutes while the pasta cooks.
Okay.
Another option, I love to use small pasta. So like the little tube pasta is so cute, or little macaroni style pasta, any kind of small pasta that just goes right in the soup. Now, if you're gluten-free, just leave the pasta out.
And you have yourself a
friendly meal. So it's, like I said, it's versatile. It's all made in one pot.
All right.
We're gonna add the sausage back in.
Your mom was right. It's the best answer and an easy answer come 5 o'clock.
It is. Come 5 o'clock, just think of soup. Just so many different ways.
Elena, thank you so much. Remind us where to connect with you for more yummy recipes like this.
CucinaByElena.com is where all my recipes live. And then for fun, behind the scenes, and daily videos, it's Instagram, Cucina by Elena, C-U-C-I-N-A.
We'll link you over
Find me there
from our website. Thank you so much.
You're
Soup
welcome.
season started today.
Yes, let's do it.
We are happy about it.